Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Friday, August 8th. AJ coming at you. Well, I seen this Winchester White Trash 333 packs start popping up at a local Walmart around me, and I don't really normally go and run out for these, but our Walmarts up here haven't been getting much ammo. Last thing was a Winchester M22. So I seen these come up, and I kind of got a problem. Anytime I see ammo for, 5, 6, 7 cents a round, no matter the brand, I kind of got to go and buy it. So I told myself I wasn't going to get these, and early this morning I started rolling around in bed and like it was bugging me. So I woke up, ran to the Walmart. This one's on the way to work. I gotta start work at 7:45. Ammo usually comes out at 7, and so I seen these available. Went ahead and ran down there, picked them up. I don't add these to my own personal collection. I just sell them to my buddy that I told you about. They're already he's on his way to pick them up. I can't get the ammo quick enough to sell to him. So that's the score for the day. 3 white trash. I was the only one there too, by the way. Could have double dipped her if I had the time, but had to go to work and make some real money. Now here's the tag fags 88. Got it at 7:08 in the morning. So dude brings me $100. Cost me $56.02. That's a profit of $43.98 for just cruising by the local Walmart and spending, 15-20 minutes of my time before work. That's good for me. I'll take it. So that's pretty much it, fellas. Guess the white trash is rolling around. I know you guys will be looking for it. Peace out, YouTube.